Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here today. I'm going to be sharing with you my top 5 favorite mini handbags. I have been living for these mini bags. I'm pretty sure I don't wear anything else unless I'm going to work and I have to carry like my laptop. Then I'll bring a regular big bag. But other than that, I like to keep things light and I just think they're so stylish and cute. They go with absolutely every outfit. I want to make this a long intro, keep you waiting any longer. I'll jump into it. Out of 3 of these bags, 3 of them are going to be luxury, 1 of them is going to be like mid-tier, and then the last one is going to be something super casual. So I hope you find this helpful if you've been on the lookout, and if you aren't already, if you could please give my channel a subscribe. It really does mean a lot to have your support and I would love for you to be a part of my growing channel. Let's go ahead and jump into the first one, which is going to be my absolute favorite. Okay, so the first one that I have here is from my Louis Vuitton multi-pochette, but I have taken off the crossbody strap and then the little chain wallet that it comes with, and I have only been wearing it as a shoulder mini bag. I haven't been wearing it any other way. I think I wore it as the crossbody fanny pack style maybe once or twice. I think this bag is worth the money 110% because of the so many different ways you can wear it. You can take it off and just wear the small tiny one, you can take it off and wear just the bigger one, you can wear the both of them, and it's kind of like getting double storage, not having to carry anything big or heavy. Love the color because it goes with so many of my outfits. My favorite colors to wear are usually neutrals, whites, beiges. It goes with 90% of my wardrobe, I would have to say, so I definitely think it's worth the money. There's just a lot of storage, like there's so much that fits in here for a mini bag. Anything that I would normally fit in a regular purse, I can fit in here. I personally am not going to be sharing exactly what fits in here because that would make a really long video. It's one of those bags where you don't really have to sacrifice leaving certain things at home just so you can carry it out. Okay, my next favorite bag, you've probably seen this in a handful of my review videos, and it is the Yves Saint Laurent Uptown wallet on a chain. I'm just so surprised at how well this bag has held up because I'm pretty sure I've only worn it on like girls' nights out and dates and stuff like that where I'm like dancing and swinging the bag around. It has held up so nice. There is 0 damage done to the leather. It's held its shape very well. I've noticed some of my bags can get a little bit flimsy like the Louis Vuitton bags, whereas this one is just such a sturdy leather. Again, I do love the versatility and the different ways you can wear this bag on different lengths, different styles, so I just love the versatility. Again, I'm the type of person that if I purchase a luxury bag, it probably has to be one that can be worn multiple ways. That way I know if like the styles change, I'm getting my money's worth. It's black, so it matches with everything. Yves Saint Laurent has lots of different wallets on chains, so this isn't the only one. You can go ahead and take a look on their website. I love the cream color or the white color in this particular style, and I'm pretty positive that this is one of their more affordable luxury bags that they have. So if like you're shopping for your first luxury bag, this is definitely a great starter one. It actually comes with a little card slot that I use all the time as well. That's the only card slot I've been using the last few months. Up next, I have my Gucci Super Mini Marmont. I feel like this bag still holds like a special place in my heart. I'm so sick and tired of these TikTok videos. I don't know if you guys are on TikTok, but there's a lot of TikTok videos going around on my personal For You page that's like things that are cheugy, and it's like I'm so sick of it. Who are you to say what's out of style, what's in style? Like if you have staple pieces that you think you're going to wear for 10, 20 years or something that you want to pass down, like get that, like who cares? I didn't stop wearing this bag because of that. I actually ended up getting, I think it was like the iPhone 11 Plus size, and it wouldn't fit in here. So this was one of the bags where I had to either carry my phone everywhere I went or I had to like sacrifice certain things and take it out, and it just wasn't functional for me. But now that I have the iPhone 11, just the regular size, I actually want to start wearing this bag out a lot more often. But when I purchased this bag, it was like I would not stop wearing it. It was in every single Instagram photo I had, and I think I just felt like I outdid it a lot, so I stopped wearing it for a while. But this is still a very special bag in my heart. I don't know where my phone is right now, but I'm pretty positive my phone fits in here. I don't think it's something where I can still carry all of my stuff. I think I would still have to sacrifice a few items, so it's still a super cute mini bag. I would say it's more stylish than it is functional, but it is still one of my favorites. It's black, it goes with everything, and it's a really affordable price for a luxury handbag. Okay, this next one is one that I have been wearing every day on like the more casual stuff, like if I'm going to the grocery store, if I need to run some errands, or I'm just going over to a friend's house, then I bring this bag. And it's just this Coach black mini handbag. I don't know what the name of this bag is. All I know is I got it about 3 years ago and I have held on to it. I wear this bag all the time and it's just held up. It's one of those bags where it's like, I'm not so worried about getting it dirty, or, you know, I'm not as particular about it, which is something that I really like. It is so roomy and spacious in here. I can fit everything that I want and still have space, and it's just a really cute functional bag. I don't know if you guys have taken a look at the Coach purses lately, but they've definitely had a lot of cute styles come out. Okay, this very last one, I don't know if you would consider it a mini handbag. It is mini and I still wear it as a staple. I'd probably wear it with this outfit right now, and it's just the Lululemon belt bag or the Lululemon fanny pack. I love switching it up sometimes and just wearing this bag. It's definitely a more sporty look, and this was another controversial topic that came up on my For You page. I saw a girl that was like, fanny packs out, and I'm like, whoa, 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 whoa. I do not believe fanny packs are out. Each to their own opinion. I'm going to be continuing to wear my Lululemon fanny pack. I don't care what anyone thinks. It's just super sporty and cute, especially if like you're going somewhere, you know, where you're walking all day. You just want to be hands-free. You don't want to have to worry about having your bag, taking it off, zipping it up. Like, it's just nice to have this in front of you, and it's just really accessible and cute. So you can wear it as a fanny pack. I personally wear it as like a crossbody fanny pack. That's my favorite way to wear it, and it's just really easy to throw on. And yeah. All right, my friends, that is it for my video today. I hope you found this helpful. Leave a comment down below which one is your favorite, or if there's a mini handbag that's your favorite that I didn't list in this video. I'm going to end this video here. Please don't forget to give my channel a subscribe. It does mean a lot to me, and I do read each and every comment. So until next time, I will see you in another video soon. Bye.